Hello Keystone Investors, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to have a chat about a topic that's really important for anyone in the crypto space. Government regulations on cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're scratching your head and wondering, why should I, as someone who's interested in or invested in cryptocurrencies, be bothered about government regulations? Well, let me tell you, it's a great question. You see, government regulations can have a big impact on the value, stability, and legality of cryptocurrencies. They can shape the way we use, trade, and invest in digital currencies. So in our chat today, we're going to explore the world of government regulations and their impact on cryptocurrencies. We'll talk about why governments around the world are interested in regulating these cryptocurrencies, how these regulations can affect the crypto market, and what this means for you. And here's the best part. By the end of our chat today, you'll have a clear understanding of the landscape of government regulations on cryptocurrencies. Plus, we've got a special segment where we'll share some tips on how to navigate these regulations as a crypto investor. So make sure you stick around for that. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrencies, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the rules of the game, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it. So let's dive right in and unravel the complex world of government regulations on the crypto market. Alright, so let's start at the beginning. What are cryptocurrencies and how do they work? Well, in the simplest terms, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're not issued or controlled by any central authority like a government or a bank, which makes them immune to government interference and manipulation. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Picture a digital ledger that's spread across numerous computers. This ledger records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. Because it's decentralized and spread across many computers, it's very secure and almost impossible to hack or manipulate. Now on to the second part of our discussion. Why are governments interested in regulating cryptocurrencies? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, because cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any central authority, they can be used for illegal activities, like money laundering or financing illegal activities. Now, governments want to prevent this, and so they're interested in regulating it. Secondly, cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, with their values fluctuating rapidly. This can lead to potential financial risks for investors, especially those who aren't fully aware of the risks involved. Now, governments want to protect investors and maintain financial stability. And lastly, governments also see the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. They recognize that these technologies can drive innovation and economic growth. But to harness their potential while minimizing their risks, they need to regulate them. And keep in mind that this is just the basics. This is a complex field with many nuances, so it's important to keep learning and stay informed. Now let's delve into how government regulations can influence the value and stability of cryptocurrencies. You see, government regulations can have a significant impact on the crypto market. They can influence the value of cryptocurrencies, their stability, and the overall health of the crypto market. One of the ways government regulations can impact the value of cryptocurrencies is through laws that affect the supply and demand of these digital currencies. For instance, if a government bans the use of cryptocurrencies, it could decrease the demand for these currencies, leading to a drop in their value. Government regulations can also affect the stability of cryptocurrencies. For instance, regulations that promote transparency and security can increase trust in the cryptocurrencies, leading to greater stability. On the other hand, sudden changes in regulations or uncertainty about future regulations can create volatility in the crypto market. Now let's talk about some notable instances where government regulations have significantly impacted the crypto market. One of the most significant examples is China. In 2017, China banned initial coin offerings, a common method for raising funds in the crypto world. This led to a significant drop in the value of many cryptocurrencies. More recently, in 2021, China reiterated its ban on cryptocurrency trading and mining, leading to another major shakeup in the crypto world. Another example is the United States, where the Securities and Exchange Commission has been actively regulating the crypto market. The SEC has declared that some cryptocurrencies can be considered security and therefore they're subjected to securities laws. This has led to an increased scrutiny of cryptocurrencies and has influenced the development of the crypto market in the US. So as you can see, government regulations can have a significant impact on the crypto market. They can influence the value and stability of cryptocurrencies, and they can shape the direction of the crypto market. But remember, while regulations can bring challenges, they can also bring opportunities. So let's move on and discuss the pros and cons of government regulations. Like most things in life, government regulations come with their own set of benefits and challenges. On the positive side, government regulations can bring increased stability to the crypto market. By setting clear rules and standards, they can reduce uncertainty and volatility. This can make the crypto market more predictable and reliable, which can be a good thing for investors. Government regulations can also provide protection for investors. They can set rules to prevent fraud, ensure transparency, and protect investors' rights. This can give investors more confidence and make them more willing to invest in cryptocurrencies. Government regulations can also help legitimize cryptocurrencies. By regulating cryptocurrencies, governments can acknowledge them as a legitimate part of the financial system. This can help increase acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies. But it's not all rosy. Government regulations can also have their own downsides. One potential downside is that they can stifle innovation. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are still new and evolving. Too much regulation can hinder experimentation and innovation in this space. Government regulations can also limit the potential of cryptocurrencies. One of the key features of cryptocurrencies is their decentralization. They're not controlled by any central authority, but heavy government regulation can undermine this decentralization. Lastly, government regulations can create barriers to entry. They can make it more difficult for new cryptocurrencies to enter the market, which can limit competition and diversity in the crypto space. So as you can see, government regulations on cryptocurrencies come with their own set of pros and cons. They can bring stability and protection, but they can also stifle innovation and limit potential. Now let's talk about how you, as a crypto investor, can navigate government regulations. It might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, with the right approach, you can stay informed and make smart decisions. Firstly, it's important to stay updated on the latest regulations. This might involve following news from regulatory bodies, subscribing to newsletters, or joining online forums where these topics are discussed. Remember, regulations can change quickly. What's legal today might not be legal tomorrow, so staying informed is crucial. Secondly, consider seeking professional advice. If you're investing a significant amount of money in cryptocurrencies, it might be worth consulting with a financial advisor or a lawyer who's familiar with cryptocurrency regulations. They can help you understand the regulations and how they apply to you. You also want to understand the regulations in your own country. Cryptocurrency regulations can vary greatly from one country to another, so make sure you understand the regulations in your own country. And if you're investing in cryptocurrencies internationally, make sure you understand the regulations in the other countries as well. Lastly, remember that complying with regulations is crucial. It might be tempting to ignore these regulations, especially if they seem complicated or restrictive. But non-compliance can only lead to serious consequences, including fines, legal trouble, and loss of your investment. So there you have it. Some tips on how to navigate government regulations as a crypto investor. Remember, while the regulations can be complex, they're also an important part of the crypto world. So stay informed, seek professional advice, understand your local regulations, and always comply with the rules. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey through the world of government regulations and cryptocurrencies. We've explored what cryptocurrencies are, why governments are interested in regulating them, and how these regulations can impact the crypto market. We've also discussed the pros and cons of government regulations and shared some tips on how to navigate these regulations as a crypto investor. As a crypto investor, it's crucial to stay informed about these regulations. Follow the news, seek professional advice, understand your local regulations, and always comply with the rules. The world of cryptocurrencies is exciting and full of potential, but it's also complex and constantly evolving. So keep learning, stay vigilant, and navigate the crypto world with knowledge and caution. Thank you for joining me on this journey. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and discussions, and I'll see you in the next one.